How to plan for property maintenance after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you kept the home after your divorce, or even if you co-own a property with your ex, property maintenance becomes 100% your responsibility. From basic upkeep to unexpected repairs, managing a home without a partner can feel overwhelming. But with a solid plan in place, you can stay on top of it, protect your investment, and avoid financial surprises. Start by making a list of the recurring maintenance tasks your home needs throughout the year. This includes seasonal responsibilities like HVAC servicing, gutter cleaning, pest control, and landscaping. Regular upkeep might seem minor, but skipping it can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the line. Next, create a monthly maintenance budget. A common rule of thumb is to set aside 1% to 2% of your home's value annually for repairs and maintenance. If your home is worth $500,000, that means saving about $400 to $800 per month. This gives you a cushion to handle both routine upkeep and unexpected issues like a leaky roof or appliance breakdown. Also, consider starting a home maintenance calendar. You can use a simple checklist, spreadsheet, or home management app to track what needs to be done and when. Keeping a schedule helps you stay organized and reduces the chance of forgetting key tasks. If you're co-owning a rental or investment property with your ex, make sure your divorce judgment outlines who's responsible for maintenance, repairs, and expenses. Without a clear agreement, these issues can quickly become a source of conflict. We recently helped a client who kept the marital home but was caught off guard when the water heater failed and she hadn't budgeted for it. We helped her build a realistic home maintenance plan and identify reliable local contractors. Within a few months, she felt confident managing the property on her own. At Divorce 661, we help you go beyond the legal documents and set you up for real-life success after divorce. That includes planning for property maintenance so you're never left scrambling when something breaks. If you've kept the home and need help organizing your maintenance plan or budget, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you create a simple, stress-free plan to protect your home and your financial peace of mind.